In this video, I'm going to give you a step-by-step process on how to clean your Homedics Ultrasonic Humidifier. This is the one sold by COSTCO. You can also purchase it online through Amazon. There's a couple of things you're going to need. You need a couple of Q-tips. You're going to need some plain white vinegar, with a little bit of water, and a small dish to put it in. Now you need to clean this about every 120 hours, and it will tell you when it needs to be cleaned. You'll see a red clean come across the display, and right down here there's a little red reset that will also light up. You don't have to clean it right away, but you're probably going to want to, within a couple days. You don't want to let this go for several weeks. So we'll get started with the process. First thing we need to do is get all the water out of the reservoirs. And don't let the cartridge fall out and hit the bottom of the sink. I just usually put my finger over the end and catch the cartridge as it's coming out. Now we'll just set the cartridge aside, do the same thing to the other reservoir. You need to empty the water from the base of the machine. So you want the cord towards you, and if you look right here it says empty water from humidifier base, drain this way. So you want to tilt your machine this way to drain out all the water. And now with the reservoir still in the sink, I add about a cup of white vinegar to each one. And then add about a cup of water. And now we'll just let those soak while we go clean the machine. And now we're ready to clean the transducer. With the back of the machine facing towards you, you're going to grab this right here by this handle, pull towards you and up. That's going to reveal the transducer. Now to clean that, we're going to need Q-tips and a small dish of 50% water, 50% vinegar. I use about 3 to 4 tablespoons of each. With the cover off, you can clearly see the transducer. This is that black ring. So you're going to dip your Q-tip in your 50% vinegar, 50% water solution, and then you just lightly rub that black ring until you get all the mineral and calcium deposits off. As you can see, it comes off really easy. You can see right there how it's already nice and black. And you just need to work your way all the way around that. Now the transducer is clean when it's nice and black and shiny with no white residue left. Now we need to clean the 2 hinged floats, which is here and here. And you just take the same solution of 50% vinegar and water and clean over this hinged area. You want these floats to move up and down with no resistance. Just go over both sides. And now last, I just like to take about a tablespoon of the solution of vinegar water, pour it in the bottom, and then I just kind of brush the Q-tip around to clean off some of the mineral deposits. You know if there's mineral deposits if when you feel this with your fingers, it's kind of rough. When you get them all off, it's going to be nice and smooth. And I just spend about 30 seconds on each side. Here, and then do the same thing on this side. So now I just go to the kitchen sink, add about a cup of fresh water into the base. And I just kind of wash that around a little bit and get all that vinegar solution out. You can go ahead and replace the transducer cover. And it will just snap into place. And now take each water reservoir, dump out the solution, and add about 2 or 3 cups of fresh water. I just rinse that around a little bit in each reservoir and dump it out. Just take a paper towel down inside each water reservoir and just wipe it out a little bit. Now you can go ahead and refill your water reservoirs. Add your demineralization cartridges back to your reservoirs. And now you can reinstall your water reservoirs. Put the caps back on. Turn the power button on your unit. And now you're going to push and hold this reset button right here for about 3 seconds. And now your clean indicator went away and this went back to a normal color. Congratulations on cleaning your humidifier. It wasn't that bad. It's going to go a lot easier your second and third time. Now a couple tips for you. Make sure you rinse out all of that vinegar solution. You don't want to leave any vinegar in the reservoirs or in the machine itself. As far as the demineralization cartridges, you're going to want to change those about every other time that you do this cleaning. So about every 240 hours. Hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching.